If you substitute the standard angles and simplify, you are going to get a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation, you will get the solution. That's itself is nothing but the value of x is nothing but the roots of this equation. X square into cosecant 45 is root 2 whole square is 2, minus cos 90 is 0, 5 into cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 into x is x, and secant 45 is root 2 whole square, square root gets cancelled. We will get a quadratic equation of the form 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the temple of excellence. So in this session I am going to take few more problems based on standard angles. Now in previous class we have discussed regarding the standard angles. Today also in this session I am going to discuss regarding the problems based on standard angle for 4 and 5 markers. Now let us come to the first problem. What is the problem here? If x square minus 2 plus cosecant square pi by 4 into x minus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to cos 90, solve for x. Now just find out the value of x. Now if you substitute the standard angles and simplify, you are going to get a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation, you will get the solution. That's itself is nothing but the value of x is nothing but the roots of this equation. Now what is given equation? The given equation is nothing but x square minus 2 plus cosecant square pi by 4 means 45 degrees minus 2 times secant square pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree is equal to cos of 90 degrees. Now substitute the values. X square minus 2 plus what is cosecant 45? Cosecant 45 is root 2 whole square into x, here it is x minus 2 times secant 60. What is secant 60? Secant 60 is nothing but 2. This is 2 square is equal to cos 90. Cos 90 is nothing but 0. Just substitute the values. 2 plus cosecant 45 is root 2 whole square into x minus 2 into secant square 60. Secant 60 is equal to 2. So this can be written as x square minus 2 plus square root gets cancelled, 2 into x minus 2 into 2 square is equal to 4. So that is x square minus 2 plus 2 is 4 times x minus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation, you will get the values of x. That's it. So x square minus 2 plus 2 into x is 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So if it is possible to factorize, you cannot factorize this. This can be solved using formula method. Now I will go to the next page, that is x square minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 8. This can be solved using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Minus of minus into minus 4 plus or minus root of b square. B square is minus 4 square minus 4 into a. What is a? A is 1. C is minus 8 divided by 2 into a. A is equal to 1. So therefore this is x is equal to minus into minus plus 4 plus or minus root of 4 square is 16 minus into minus plus 8 into 4 32 divided by 2. So this is 4 plus or minus, add this 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 2 is 48 divided by 2. This can be split as 4 plus or minus 16 into 3 divided by 2. So that's equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 root 3 by 2. So take 2 common factor. If you divide, you will get x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. So the simplified answer is 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 is the answer for this equation. That's it. So simplify this, you will get x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Same type. If x into sin 30 into cosecant square 45 is equal to cos cube 30 secant 60 tan 45 divided by cosecant square 45 into cosecant 30. Solve for x. Same type problem. What is given here? The given equation x into sin 30. Sin 30 is of cos 45. Cos 45 is root 2 whole square is equal to cos 30. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So, root 3 by 2 whole cube into secant 60. Substitute the value of secant 60. Secant 60 is 2 into tan 45 is 1 divided by cosecant 45 is root 2 whole square into cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is equal to 2. Now, simplify this. This is x into 1 by 2 into square root gets cancelled. 2 is equal to root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So, root 3 whole cube can be written as root 3 into root 3 into root 3. 3 3 is a 9 square of 9 is 3. 3 root 3. So, this can be written as 3 root 3 divided by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 into 2 1 the 2 whole divided by root 2 whole square is 2 into 2. So, this is equal to 2 and 2 gets cancelled. X is equal to, you can simplify this, 2 4s gets cancelled, 3 root 3 by 4 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So, x is equal to 3 root 3 by 4. This can be written as 1 by 4. So, that is nothing but 3 root 3 divided by 4 4s are 16. That's it. So, the value of x is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 16. Substitute here. So, 1 by 2 root square root gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, x is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 8 into 2, 2 4s gets cancelled, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, that is 3 root 3 divided by 4 into 1 by 4, that is nothing but 3 root 3 divided by 16 is the simplified answer. Hope you followed. Now, similarly, move on to a same type problem. Let us go to the next problem. If x square into cosecant square 45 minus cos square 90 minus 5 times cos 0 plus tan 0 into x plus secant square 45 is equal to 0, solve for x. So, this is also same type as that of the previous problem. X square into cosecant 45. What is cosecant 45? Root 2 whole square minus cos 90. What is cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. 0 square is 0 minus 5 into cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus tan 0. What is tan 0? Tan 0 is equal to 0 into x plus secant 45 is root 2 whole square is equal to 0. Right. See here, x square into cosecant square 45 is root 2 cos 90. Cos 90 is 0 minus 5 into cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0 plus secant 45 is root 2 whole square is equal to 0. So, this is x square into root 2 whole square is 2 minus 0 is 2 minus 5 into 1 plus 0 is 1 into x plus root 2 whole square is 2 is equal to 0. So, this is 2x square minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Again, this is a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation. So, how to solve this quadratic equation? If we cross multiply this, 2x into x is 2x square. So, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1. So, this is minus and minus. Minus 4x minus x is equal to minus 5x will get. So, this can be written as 2x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Right. I will write in the next page, that is a 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. For this, the factors are 2x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. See, I have written here 2x minus 1 into x minus 2. So, this can be written as 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 2. So, therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 comma 2. 1 by 2 or 2 are the simplified answer. That is it. Okay. Followed. Just listen. Substitute here. X square into cosecant 45 is root 2 whole square is 2 minus cos 90 is 0. 5 into cos 0 is 1. Tan 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 into x is x. And secant 45 is root 2 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. We will get a quadratic equation of the form 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Factorize this. You will get the factors as 2x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1 by 2, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So, therefore, the roots are x is equal to 1 by 2 and 2. That is it. Now, move on to a similar type problem. Solve for x if x is equal to secant 30 into tan 60 plus sin 45 into cosecant 45 plus cos 30 into cot 60. Now, just substitute the values and simplify, straight away you will get the value of x. Now, here x is equal to secant 30. What is secant 30? Secant 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3 into tan 60. What is tan 60? So, tan 60 is equal to root 3 plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into cosecant 45 is root 2 plus cos 30. So, what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into cot 60. What is cot 60? Cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. That's it. See here, very simple problem. Secant 32 by root 3, tan 60 root 3, sin 45 1 by root 2, cosecant 45 root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cot 60 1 by root 3. So, simplify this. What happens? This root 3 gets cancelled, root 2 gets cancelled, and again root 3 gets cancelled. What is left over? 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1. So, therefore, x is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM. 2 is LCM. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. That is equal to 7 by 2. So, therefore, the simplified answer is x is equal to 7 by 2. That is it. Okay. Very simple. Just substitute the values and cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Root 3 gets cancelled. 2 into 1 is 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. 1 into 1 is 1. Root 3 gets cancelled. 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM. 2 is LCM. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2 is the simplified answer. That's it. Hope you followed. So, x is equal to 7 by 2. Now, let us move on to the next problem. Find the value of cot square pi by 6 minus 2 cos square pi by 3, 3 by 4 secant square pi by 4 minus 4 times sin square pi by 6. So, the given equation here, just finding the value of this given equation. Previous problem just solving for x, finding the value of x, but here just finding the value of this equation. That's it. So, cot square pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees minus 2 into cos square pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees minus 3 by 4 secant square pi by 4 means 45 degrees minus 4 times sin square pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. So, substitute the values. What is cot 30? Cot 30. Cot 30 is equal to root 3 whole square minus 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 into secant 45 is root 2 whole square minus 4 into sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. Right. So, what is this equal to? Root 3 whole square is 3 minus 2 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into square root gets cancelled 3 minus 4 into 1 over root 2 square is 4. Cancel the terms which gets cancels, or you can simplify like this. This is 3 minus 2 by 4 minus 3 2s are 6 by 4 minus 4 by 4 as it is. Don't change anything. Take 4 as the LCM, very easiest method. 4 is LCM. 4 3s are 12 minus 4 gets cancelled minus 2 minus 6 minus 4. What is this equal to? This is equal to 12 minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 minus 12. 12 minus 12 divided by 4. So, 12 minus 12 is 0 by 4 is equal to 0. The simplified answer is 0. That's it. Okay. Very simple problem. See here. Root 3 whole square is 3 minus 2 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into root 2 whole square is 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Just since 4 is in the denominator, keep this 4 as it is. 3 minus 2 by 4 minus 3 2s are 6 by 4 minus 4 1s are 4 by 4. Take a 4 as a LCM. So, 3 4s are 12 and 4 gets cancelled minus 2 minus 6 minus 4. So, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. So, therefore, the simplified answer for this is 0 is the answer. Now, move on to the next problem. Same, again finding the value of x. This is also important for 5 marks. Find the value of px. What is given? X into sin 30 into cosecant square 45 is equal to cot square 30 secant 60 minus tan 45 divided by cosecant square 45 into cosecant 30 into cot 60 degrees. Okay. Now, the given equation can be written as given equation x into sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to cot 30. Cot 30 is root 3 whole square into secant 60. What is secant 60? Secant 60 is equal to 2 minus tan 45 is 1 divided by cosecant 45 is root 2 whole square into cosecant 30. What is cosecant 30? Cosecant 30 is 2 into cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Simplify this. This is x into 1 by 2 into square root gets cancelled 1 by 2 is equal to square root gets cancelled 3 into 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into this 2 and 2 gets cancelled 1. So, this is x divided by 2 2s are 4 is equal to 3 2s are 6 minus 1 divided by 2. So, what is this equal to? That is x by 4 is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5 divided by 2, cross multiplied. 2x is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 by 2 is 10. Let me explain. So, x into 1 into 1 is x divided by 4 is equal to 3 to the 6 minus 1 divided by 2. So, x by 4 is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5 divided by 2, cross multiply. 2x is equal to 5 4s are 20, x is equal to, therefore, x is equal to 20 divided by 2. That means x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Suppose if instead of minus tan 45, if it is into tan 45, let us take a similar problem. So, next problem, solve for x gives the same problem, x into sin 30 into cosecant square 45 is equal to cot 30 cot square 30 into secant 60 into tan 45 degrees whole divided by cosecant square 45 into cosecant 30 into cos 60 degrees. So, the same problem here, this is nothing but x into sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to root 3 whole square into 2 into 1 divided by root 2 whole square into cosecant 30 is 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now, if you simplify this, what you are going to get for this? So, if you simplify x into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 whole square is 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 2 gets cancelled 1. So, this 2 and 2 also gets cancelled. So, this is x by 4 is equal to 3, right. So, x divided by 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, you can write x is equal to 3 into 4, that is equal to 12, x is equal to 12. So, here the value of x we are going to get it as, therefore, x is equal to 12. So, there are three different problems. Actually, in the first problem for minus tan 45, x is equal to 10, right. For the second problem, for cos 60 degree, the value of x is equal to 12. Suppose there is one more problem, x sin 30 into cos square 45, so is equal to same in the numerator, you will have same in the denominator, cosecant square 45 into cosecant, that is cosecant square 45 into cosecant 30. There is one more problem like this. For this, the value of x you are going to get it as 3. The required answer is 3 is the answer. So, here this 2 into 2 is 4. So, just 3 by 4. what happens? If you cross multiply, 4 and 4 gets cancelled, you will get 3 as the required answer. So, these are the 3 different problems, right. So, the first answer is x is equal to 10, and the second answer is x is equal to 12, and the third answer is x is equal to 3, provided if there is no cos 60 degrees in the denominator. These are 3 important problems. You may expect one from this for 3 marks. That's it. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.